Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit any PDF very easily. So first of all, you need to type on any search browser like online PDF editor, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result. This is a says the helps with your PDF. This is a very best tool for any kind of editing and all, and you need to select this one. And once you select this one, you need to choose your PDF file. So as you can see, this is I have my PDF file. So you need to click on PDF file and you need to click on open. Okay, and once you click on open, it will be open look like this one. Okay, so over here you can see this is the same website, and I have already done some things because there are some contact details, so we cannot show the contact details due to copyright issue. So as you can see, when you open this you can say a PDF file in this window, you can change anything in this window. Okay, so you just need to select which text you want to change. Like you can select it and you need to click like I have make changes, like as a you can write anything, okay, what you want. Okay, and if you delete to something, like you need to select this one and you can delete also. Okay, so you need to select and you can delete also, you need to select and you can delete also. And once you complete each and every information, so now you can say like over here you can see there is a option like apply changes in the bottom side of the window. Like I'm going to show you like something over here, like you can see over here in the bottom side you will see apply changes, and or you can see the changes on the upper side of the window. There is no such kind of option available. You can say like apply changes. The apply changes button is available in the bottom side, and you need to click on apply changes. And once you click on apply changes, it will take some time, like your task is now getting ready, and you can download your, you can say, PDF. And once you click on download, it will be downloaded. Okay, so this is the information for you. You can easily download by using this method. You can easily change, or you can say you can easily edit any kind of, you can say, PDF. Okay, so if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.